Hello all. Hopefully you can hear me over all the noise. So we thought we'd do just a quick little comparison video size-wise between the W4 and the W6. So it's our W4, W6. 6 is a little smoky, not sure why, but it's got oil, so we're okay so far. But rear tires here on me are about, that'd be 4.5 feet, 5 feet. Six, it's only just or the 4, sorry, is only just above my waist. So I say nothing super special, but just a size comparison of the two. And then, well, W4, W6, and then W9 would be about double the size of the 6s again. It just puffs every once in a while. I think we need to get into the carburetor, give it a tune-up. But, oh well. Alright guys, we're gonna call it here, because like I say, just a quick little size video, and the sky's getting kind of dark, so I'll get a thumbnail for you and we'll call it done. There we go. Alright guys, talk to you later.